Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this metal bed frame. It is for a king. I actually have Cali Kings, but the bed frame should still work for a king or a Cali King. So let's go ahead and get right into it. This is actually how it came boxed. It comes with an instruction manual, as you can see right there. So this is awesome. It did come with a screwdriver, which I always love when they actually include the stuff to put it together. So I'm going to go ahead and take out all these pieces and set them out, and then I'll show you how to put this together. Okay, as you can see, I have everything kind of just laid out right now. So I'm going to take, it says step 1, F, D, and C. So this is D and C, and it says you insert D and C like this. And then it says that you take F, which are these little legs, and then you just put it in here like this. So with M and F, they actually have these little latches, so make sure the latches are both facing the same way, like this, downwards. And then we're going to screw this in again. Okay, so now that we have that part done, we're going to take B and C, which B is the one that kind of bends. So just like that. And you're going to take J's, which are these right here, and then you're going to screw it into this side. And then you're going to do the same thing with the A bar. You're going to go around that side and do this exact same step. The A bar is the other one that bends. So just like this. And we're going to take the A bar and do that to this side over here. Okay, so now I'm just going to take the M bar, which is this one right here. I'm going to put it right here on both sides. And then I'm going to screw the F's into there, and then I'll show you what I'm going to do when I get down to the bottom part down there. Now earlier when I did these ones, you actually get the other one. You're actually supposed to do that twice. So this is M and L. Like I said, make sure they're facing that way. Just going to slide this in and then put this, and then this is what I'm going to put at the foot and do it the exact same again. So just go in like this, and then I'm going to attach it to the bottom, and then put these on here like I did up there. So I'm going to show you same thing. Put this right here. You're taking this and just screwing it on with this piece right here. Just like that. Same thing to this side. Okay, so the next step is we're going to get the E's, which are these ones right here, and we're going to place them right here like this, and then just push it down just like that. And we're going to screw these in right here, the F's, which are the feets. And then we're going to take your eyes, which are the long screws. And then there's some holes right here. And you're going to push this through this area right there. And it's going to attach, if I could get it, that's what's going to attach this. And then you're going to do this to the other side as well. So we're just screwing it in here. Okay, and I'm going to do the other thing, the same thing to this side, and then I'm going to put this bar same way on this side. Okay, and now that I'm done with that part, I'm actually going to flip this around. So first of all, we're going to take the G's, and it says So you put this in here, you slide it in, just like that. And then you want to use 2 bolts, so 2 of these to put on this other side. Okay, this is what I was talking about. You put the bolts right here, G is going to stick out, and then we're going to be placing this right here onto here. And then that's what's going to actually screw into your bed frame. Okay, and then for, like I said, for this last part, you're just putting in this part right here. So it has a little thing on this side where that's going to actually kind of fit in there. And you're just going to screw 2 bolts in on this side. And I did want to mention, you want to put these on all 4 corners. Okay, and that is what you should be left with once you're done. Now I'm going to go ahead and go put the bed frame on, and then I'll show you what it looks like once it's all put together. So this is what it looks like with the bed on it. I didn't put the top comforters or anything like that on yet, but very, very cute. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.